What's your name?
Christian.
Christian. And how old are you?
2. 3.
2. And what is your Nana's name?
Lorraine.
Lorraine. And what is Grandpa's name?
Richard.
Richard. And where do they live?
In
Long Island.
your Annie.
That's right. What's Daddy's name?
David.
David. And Mommy's name?
Dasha.
And Akon's name?
Yeah. Yeah.
And Abby's name?
Papa.
Alba. And what's Papi's name?
Christian.
Christian. And what's our last name?
Christian and Mommy.
Swing.
Christian name.
Christian Swing. What else do you want to say to Nana and Grandpa?
I'm big one.
Yeah, I miss you.
Where's the money?
I'm big. I'm a big one.
Huh?
I'm big one now.
What's your favorite food?
Big one now looking.
Mhm. What's your favorite
Big
food?
one now looking.
That's right. What's your favorite food?
Big one now looking.
What's your favorite color?
Big one now looking.
What's your favorite color? Tell Nana.
Big one now looking.
What's your favorite color?
Big one.
Is it blue?
No. Yellow one.
Yellow is your favorite color?
Yeah.
What's your favorite food to eat? Is it pizza?
Ooh.
Is your favorite food to eat pizza?
No.
What's your teacher's name?
I'm
Miss Evelyn? And who else is your teacher that helps Miss Evelyn?
Miss Patty.
Miss Patty. And do you know any of your friends' names?
Looking and watching.
Logan?
And Dick.
And Aiden?
No, Rick.
Oh, Jake? Who else?
And Rick.
Logan, Jake. Who else is in your class?
P.
Who?
Pitching. Guy. You can make.
Can you sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Logan had pitching.
Logan has your choo-choo train?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll have to get it back from him. Tomorrow. Tomorrow you're going to see Miss Evelyn?
And Miss Patty.
And Miss Patty at school. You want to call Nana and Grandpa on the phone? Yeah? What are you going to say to them?
Thank you.
What are you going to say to Nana and Grandpa?
Thank you.
You're going to say thank you?
Yeah.
What else are you going to say?
Thank you.
That's it?
Welcome.
You say thank you and you're welcome?
Thank you, Nana. Welcome, Grandpa.
Thank you, Nana, and you're welcome, Grandpa. You're going to ask them, how's the weather?
Thank you, Nana. Welcome, oh, good. Hello. Welcome.
Okay. Say adios.
Adios.
Adios.